If somebody regains mobility with a spinal cord lesion, they will tell you two things. It was not a real spinal cord lesion, it was a wrong diagnosis, or it's a miracle. And what I want to tell you is that no, your body has the ability to repair, and we just give back to the person the ability to repair that he had when he was in his 20s. So my point is that the ability of a scar to repair, I did not go through all that data, but the ability of a scar to repair or anything broken in your body is totally dependent upon how many stem cells are there, the building block of repair, to participate in repair. If you don't have enough stem cells available, that is a cut like this isn't, biologically speaking, I mean, is a threat to survival, because it means systemic infection, and you die if you cannot treat a wound like this. So your body will kick in, the local fibroblast will kick in, will seal the wound, and you will have a keloid scar, because fibroblasts cannot become capillaries, smooth muscle cells, keratinocytes, and everything in the skin. But if you have plenty of stem cells in circulation, they're called to that area, they become muscle, capillaries, everything of a normal tissue. That is the power of your own stem cells the moment you put more in circulation.